This is a small tutorial. Watch carefully, okay? When you are in your class work, go to Maps. You're going to go immediately to Delta Airbus here. But before going that, remember, you have to have the folder. So Resources side. Click on this one. Go at the bottom. Go to Maps. And at the Maps, you're going to have Delta Airlines here. You want to download Delta Airlines. It's downloaded here. Don't double click there. Then after that, immediately go to Google Earth. Once you have it there, go here, open projects, and then in that moment says you're gonna have probably, this is something that you're gonna have there. 1 second, let me eliminate that. You probably don't have any projects. You're gonna say open, import KML from computer, find the Delta, and double click. And you're gonna have the Delta project ready with the 5 points that you need. Okay, they're gonna be there on the map. The only thing you need to do is follow your page now. Delta flight, which is here, and then you have to record all the points from point 1 to point 2. Okay, so then you find what is point 1, find what is point 2, double click over there. Okay, so now you have to make your line, click, click, I don't want to give you the answers, and then you have to activate your protractor, put it on the center here, and tell me the direction that it's going. And if you want to know which cities are these, well, you have to activate the layers and set exploration so you can see things to identify which cities. And all that information, you recorded it here. That's how it works.